What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to continue working on the 240 drift build. If it's the first time here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. Now that I got the coil packs on, I think pretty close to being able to put in the plugs and the wires. Kind of curious what's going to happen with this one because it's really close. But need to get the plugs and the wires in, and then still need to get the old wiring harness out. I'm kind of putting it off because I got to get in and take the dash apart. So I want to take the carpet out as well, and I don't want to rip anything. And I believe the hole is a little bit higher up, so need to be able to see. The plugs, I went with some NGK Iridium spark plugs. They are TR5IX 7397, and we'll see how these do. I had the old ones, they looked okay, but I mean, you know, get some new ones. And for the plug wires, I got some MSD black cables. They're the 8.5 millimeter superconductors. And I picked up some of these DEI titanium spark plug boots. These things were, I mean, they're like more expensive than the actual plug wires, so it's kind of crazy. But I'm gonna get these in. First issue I ran into putting the plug in is, yeah, with this dipstick, it is kind of blocking. I mean, you could see the plug is, it's hard to see with the darkness, but the plug is right there, and then the dipstick is completely in the way. So maybe I might see if I can bend the plug to go on this side, because even if the plug's having a problem, the wire is definitely going to have a problem. Then the second issue I have is I ordered a LS and not the GTO, I guess. And I talked to Siki and they said they'd be willing to exchange it. From what I can tell is when I go to plug in the spark plug, it's running into this, so I'm not sure if the wire will be able to go on there either. I really don't, every time I want to change the spark plugs, I really don't want to have to unhook the power steering, because that would really suck. But I'm not 100% sure yet. We got to figure it out. Out the socket to tighten it down, I can get it on, I can get it in there. I can get it down low enough maybe to get the socket on, it might actually work. It seems like it might be okay once I get it tightened down. You see, I got a finger, that's all I have between the spark plug and this power steering is one finger. I loosened up the dipstick, was able to easily tighten down that one. So I think I'm going to leave the dipstick off for now, put up the spark plug wires and connect them all, and then see how that fits, try to bend it around that. On the passenger side though, it was smooth sailing, didn't have any issues, was able to tighten them all down and ran into no space problems. What we got to do now is hook up this clutch line to the clutch master. It has 2 washers, so make sure you don't drop any of the washers. It'll be a little bit easier if we take this reservoir cap off. And then we'll get down there and get both those washers off. So This banjo bolt has two washers. We want one going on either side. This bolt goes down. Get this hair off. Bolt goes down through there with one washer on this side. And put the other washer on this side. And then get it fitted on. You get fitted on at the right angle. It's not gonna go on. And you don't want to drop the washer like that. Once you start getting it on there, get a 15. And help torque it down. Once you get that torqued down, pop back on the cap. Then you can wait to fill that later. All right, well that's that. Let's see, what do I still need to do? I still need to do oil relocation. I got the bolts for, or I got part of that done. Let's see if you can see. So the sides that are not AN fitting, I got the Teflon tape on, and still need to find a place to mount this, and I'm pretty sure I'm still going to use that place. And I need to grab some metal, bend it, and then drill the holes to get it on there. And I'm thinking of maybe having it like this. I don't know, I think if I have it like this, it might end up bumping into the power steering, but I gotta figure out a place. So I'll work on that later. All right, there was so much debate online on what transmission fluid to use. Everyone agreed Dextron 3, but they don't, I mean, I guess they don't make it anymore, and now it's like the Dextron VI, and a lot of people are like, don't use Dextron VI, and then people are like, use Synchromesh and use, you know, Purple and all that stuff. But from what I understand, GM gave a number for using, which is this, I guess this 888-6188 or 800, and I got, you know, I got this from Siki. I returned my Dextron VI from O'Reilly's, and I figure, I mean, might as well get it. It was like $6 or something, you know, a quart. It's not too bad. I got 4 of these and then 2 for the power steering. I went ahead and drained the transmission fluid as you saw earlier, and now let's go ahead and fill this back up. Transmission should take just a little bit less than 4 quarts. There it comes. Starts leaking out. And you know it's full. Well, that's all I got for today. Don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe button. Later.